Happy good morning.
Good morning.
Sunny, are you stopping to smell the flowers?
I sure am. I love spring.
That's great because we're doing another collab today with #creating and recrafting. This is hosted by Carol from Carol's Recrafted Boutique and Jovi from Creating with Jovi. This month's theme is springtime.
Is that where you have to use everything you already have to make something and you can't buy anything new?
Yep, that's right.
Yay, let's get started.
Grab your empty can and paper towel roll. Voila, all done. Just kidding, don't worry, we'll show you how easy this really is. To make the spout on this watering can, measure your roll against the side of the empty can. Cut the roll and set aside the larger half for later. Cut the smaller roll at an angle and now cut down the middle. Roll the cardboard to make a narrow tube. Be sure to check the fit against the side of the can before gluing to secure. To make the handle, you'll need the larger half of the roll. Cut in half and flatten the cardboard. I'm measuring and cutting out about an inch wide piece of the roll. Shape and form into a handle. Time to paint. I'm using a basic white paint, but you can use any color you'd like.
Why don't we paint it yellow?
That's a great idea, Sunny. I definitely considered it, but I want to be able to use this for different holidays or events. I'll show you some examples later.
I can't wait.
I'm also painting a few coats on the inside of the can and the spout. Let's glue a cotton ball to the inside bottom part of the tube. This will help us secure the spout to the side of the can. I usually use my glue gun, but today I'm trying this E6000 glue. You have to be patient and wait with this one. Be prepared to hold the spout into place for several minutes. For the handle, I'm securing it into place using the glue gun.
Are you sure you can handle it okay?
Yeah, Sunny, I can handle it okay. Let's use up the rest of the paper towel roll and paint it with a couple of coats of white paint too. Begin cutting out several triangle pieces. This should be enough. Pick out the best ones. Now let's mix things up a bit. Add some pretty pink ribbon to trim the tops of the mini pendants. Write the word spring in sweet pastel colors. Now add some adorable mini clothespins. Let's see what it looks like all put together.
Oh my goodness! What was that?
What is it, Sunny?
Under the watering can.
Oh, it's a little lizard.
He must have wanted to make the watering can his home.
Maybe. Good eye, though.
It's just nice to know at least someone appreciates the crafts you make.
Gee, Sunny, thanks. I just love the way this cute little can looks with all the pretty spring flowers. But wait, there's more. I've come up with 15 other ways you can use this wonderful watering can throughout the season. Fill it with fake or fresh flowers. Perhaps use some of your favorite Easter decor. Give a beautiful bouquet to your mom or dad. Add some baby's breath for a sweet baby shower. Need some centerpiece ideas for a wedding or wedding shower? How about celebrating a graduation? I love that you can use this can as a birthday decoration or as a clever gift box. Need a housewarming gift? Just add a live plant. Display it daytime, nighttime, or anytime. It'll even light up your backyard barbecue or 4th of July festivities. Fireworks not included. Thank you so much for watching.
Happy crafting!
Be sure to check out the playlist in the description box below.